My name is Amogh Pawar. I am a student in Modern Academy Inter College of Class 12th Biology stream. I reside in Lucknow and have joined the Gomti Nagar branch of Aakash Coaching. In light of recent events, there has been a major change in the method of our studies. Earlier, we used to converge as a class and have teachers teach us. But it is impossible now. So, Akash, quick to adapt, has started online classes for us via the Zoom app. Because of this, we are easily able to continue our studies without any hindrances. We are able to learn from our teachers face to face in live classes. There is also a moderator during the classes to make sure students are not slacking or leaving the classes in the middle. The moderator also makes sure that the person entering a class is a member of that class only before allowing entry. The teachers give us assignments like normal. The modules are available to us in the form of ebooks so we can easily refer to them. The live classes are a lot better than recorded videos being sent to us via WhatsApp because these live classes allow better interaction with our teachers.